Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided I'm going to start attempting the advent of code. I've heard of it before, but I've never really attempted it, and it's a very lead codish kind of way of doing things. But I thought, oh, what the hell, I'm just going to attempt it. So even though I'm late, it's 2025, but what the hell. So I'm on, as you can see, I've already done I think up until day 3. So I just decided I'll share some of my solutions. So on the day 1 is the historian Hysteria, where the chief historian is missing, and you got 2 teams looking for the historian. And they split up into 2 teams, and they start kind of searching levels, and they put the location ID. The left team locates keeps a record of their location IDs, the right team of their location IDs. But as you hold up the list, the 2 lists on the same are not similar, so you kind of have to work out what the difference between the 2 is. So and the problem is you kind of have to take the smallest number on the left and the smallest number on the right and find out what the distance between the 2 is. For example, on the left hand side the smallest number is 1, on the right hand side the smallest number is 3, difference is 2, and so on. Again, 2 on the left, 4 on the right, that's 2 again. So as you can see, 2 minus 1 is 2, therefore in the first case it's 2, in the second case it's 1, and so on. So you're always taking the left and the right, you're finding the difference and adding them up as you go along. So that's pretty much what you need to do to get it to work. So as you can see, I've already done it, and I will show you how I did it. So for context, I've just got this function that reads in the file, because what happens is you get these puzzles where you have to basically out like test cases. So you download the entire thing. So what I do is I take all of this and I dump it into a file called input, as you can see here. And yeah, so basically I've got this utility function that's going to read these text files. So for day 1, what I'm going to need is a left list, a right list, and a combined list. So how I did it was, let me just put input demo here. So what I do is I have this demo file, which is the test case. So a demo file, I need to read those files. So for line in data, and I know that I ran into this issue earlier with carriage return. I'm just going to do as a safety line dot replace \n with nothing, just in case I hit the problem again. Then I'm going to split left comma right will equal to line dot split, and I'm going to split on multiple spaces because here I've got multiple spaces. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to add the left list dot append the left, and the right list dot append the right, and then what I need to also do is left list dot sort, because I need this in ascending order, and the right list dot sort, like so. Let's just print right list and print left list. Let's see what happens. Oh, sorry. Day 1, and you got 2 lists, as you can see, ascending, and I've got a space here for some weird reason. Oh, I got a space. Okay, tell me what is doing. Blank is fine. I didn't have this. I'm going to convert them to ints anyway, so I think it should be fine. I'll just convert these to int. So I did it last time. Convert them to ints anyway. So yeah, so you can see 3 3 3 4 5 on the right, 1 2 3 3 3 4 on the left, which is basically these ascending order. So yeah, so once I've got that, I'm going to create a combined list. I actually don't need that. I don't need that. Combined list is going to be, I'm going to use a zip. Take the left list, take the right list, left and right, and that's going to just give me a tuple on the left. Give me a tuple, left 0, right 0, left 1, right 1. So once I have that, I'm going to, for I in combined list, find combined list. This is going to give me a tuple, so I'm going to do sum. By the way, I need sum here. Sum 0, sum is equals to absolute of I. Again, this is an int, so I code 0, comma I code 0 minus int I code 1. So let's take the absolute values and print, and then print the sum. See what I get. See what I get now. Okay, so I'm getting 11, which is this. Where is it? Where am I? Here. So that's the demo file, or the demo test case, and I get 11 as expected. Now I've already submitted this with 173376. So if I rerun this with the actual input file, and I get 1873376, as you can see. So that's how I did it. I zipped up the two, and then I used the left and the right, minus that, get the absolute value, and add to sum. And then on the, let's look at part 2. For part 2, so basically the teams have made mistakes and they can't work out who's made what mistakes, and can't read the chief historian's handwriting. This time we need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total similarity score. So for example, the first one, 3, how many times does it appear in the right list? In this case it appears 3 times, 3 3s are 9. Second one is 4, it appears once, 4 ones are 4, and so on. You kind of have to find that similarity score. So for day 2, I'm just gonna put my day 1 stuff in. I don't think I need to sort. I won't need to sort. I'm just gonna kill that. I don't need that because I don't need to sort. I'm just looking for the occurrence. So I'm gonna say sum 0. I'm gonna go through the left list for num in left list, sum plus equals to num, which is going to be the left list, times how many times it appears in the right list. So right list dot count num. So how many times is the number on the left? You multiply the number on the left by the time it appears in the right, and that's your basically your occurrence. Let's see, day 2, day 1, day 2. This is the demo file. Get 31, which is, where are we? What they have here, 31. You can't see it. Let me just bring that up a bit. and that's the demo you have here, 31. That's what I'm getting. As you can see down here, I'm getting 31. As you can see, I'm also already supplied this, and my number was 189970008. So if I put in the actual file that they've given me, and I get 18997007088. So that's how I did day one. Let me know if you have better solutions. Did you find a better way of doing it? Yeah, I'll just keep making videos of as I attempt each one of these days. I've already done day 3, so I'll just put out the videos that I've done or the solutions that I've already done. And yeah, thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.